Hi guys, welcome to Weekend Dev Challenge by CodeChef. So in this, every week we'll be giving you development challenges to improve your skills on coding, to give you a hands-on experience on building. So this is weekend 25 and let's get started with the project. So this is light dark theme toggle challenge. So the problem statement goes like the chef is facing a lot of trouble in watching the screens during night because of the light mode. So if you have observed, dark mode doesn't give that much stress to the eyes when you're watching as compared to the light mode. So in whatever the website they've given in this project, we have to add a toggle switch, so which changes between light and dark mode as required by the user. So here basically we have to, the CSS already done for us, only the HTML and JavaScript part has to be taken care of. So here we have to basically give a toggle switch like I said. So let's jump into the code and see how do we do that. So first the HTML part, we have one class Superman portal, that is the heading of this thing with the logo, and then a button for saying dark mode, which is the toggle dark and light mode. Now here the hero section, we have some lorem ipsum content about Superman. That's it. This is of not much importance to us in this project. And then we have this JavaScript. So this is basic thing. Toggle button is one of the important thing for us in this project. Now let us see the script.js. Now you can see it says we have to store that we're using get element by id for the theme toggle and storing it in a constant called button. So you can see this is the theme toggle, the id, and then we are taking that part and storing it in a constant button. So now onwards we'll be calling it as btn button. Now we'll add an event listener saying when you click on that, it basically takes the body from the dark mode. Initially it considers it as dark mode, it should toggle. Now if the entire body is in dark mode, then we have to change that into light mode. Or else, if it is already in the light mode, then we have to change it into dark mode. Got it? Now we have all the styling in the CSS part. You can see this is the dark mode and this is the light mode. What is the light mode? Okay, so this is light mode, this is a dark mode, my bad. Yeah. So this is how it works. Basically, you have to change the body from dark mode to light mode. Let me run the program and show it to you. This is a single one video project. So you can see this is a button saying dark mode. You can see here the button content should change from dark mode to light mode. All right. Yeah. So if I click on dark mode, now it is dark. It doesn't give that much stress on my eyes. When I click on this again, it is light mode. Okay. So let me submit the program. So test cases have passed, and that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.